Welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring one of the most important names in the global transportation industry in the youtong bus 2026, a next-generation vehicle representing innovation, sustainability, and the future of public mobility. From electric technology to intelligent safety systems, youtong has transformed how millions of people travel every day. The 2026 youtong bus is not just a vehicle, it's a symbol of smart transportation, built for modern cities and long-distance travel. In this video, we'll explore the history, design evolution, technology, performance, and future vision behind the youtong bus 2026. Youtong is one of the world's largest bus manufacturers. Headquartered in Zhengzhou, China, over decades, the company has grown from a regional manufacturer into a global transportation leader, exporting buses to more than 100 countries. The company gained international recognition by focusing on reliability, passenger comfort, and fuel efficiency. As cities began shifting toward cleaner transportation, youtong invested heavily in electric mobility and smart vehicle technology. By 2026, youtong's mission became clear: create buses that are cleaner, safer, smarter, and more efficient for growing urban populations. The youtong bus 2026 represents the result of years of research into electric platforms, intelligent driving systems, and passenger-centered design. The youtong bus 2026 introduces a modern and aerodynamic exterior that improves efficiency while enhancing visual appeal. Unlike older generation buses, the new design features smooth body panels and reduced air resistance to improve energy consumption. Key exterior highlights include sleek LED headlight system with daytime running lights, aerodynamic front fascia for improved airflow, lightweight aluminum body structure, anti-corrosion coating for longer durability, large panoramic windows for better passenger visibility. The bus is designed for multiple purposes, including city transport, intercity travel, tourism, and airport shuttle operations. Its strong yet lightweight construction ensures durability while maintaining efficiency. Step inside the youtong bus 2026, and you'll notice a major focus on passenger comfort. The interior combines modern aesthetics with practical functionality. Passenger seating. Ergonomically designed seats provide improved lumbar support, making long journeys more comfortable. Premium versions include reclining seats, USB charging ports, and adjustable lighting. Smart climate control, an intelligent air conditioning system, automatically adjusts temperature and airflow depending on passenger level and weather conditions. Accessibility, low floor entry options, and wheelchair-friendly spaces make the bus accessible for passengers of all ages and abilities. Entertainment. Passengers benefit from onboard Wi-Fi, digital information displays, and real-time travel updates. The overall experience feels closer to airline rather than traditional bus travel.